Hey guys, how you doing? This is Kiera from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue our series. I believe this is day 12 of making money with Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. All right. So, first off, what you want to do at the very start is make a my lead gen secret account. Okay. The link is in the description below. So all you gotta do is click on that link, come to this page. Put in your email or whatever you gotta do, make an account. Very easy to do. What I recommend is to make multiple accounts, possibly five if possible. Five is the recommended to make a decent income doing this. But you could just start with two, at least two. You want at least two so you can get multiple leads per day. You can get the bonus leads because you want multiple leads per day. So at minimum 2 accounts, at most, well, there's no at most, but 5 accounts is recommended. All right. So go ahead and click link in the description, the affiliate link in the description, and make sure when you make multiple accounts to be an affiliate for yourself, so you can pay yourself and get the bonus leads, and guarantee you get bonus leads. You don't got to worry about trying to get a sale because you're already getting a sale from yourself. So that's the reason why you want to do it like that and become an affiliate for yourself. That's right. So only click on the link in the description for 1 account. Once you make that 1 account, be an affiliate for yourself. All right. you can make money with commissions on here. And it's multiple ways to make commissions and stuff. Even with this series here already, I've made sales with my lead gen secrets. So even though my videos don't have that many views on them all yet, this still have been positive. I still have gotten sales off the YouTube videos I'm making now. So you can actually copy what I'm doing, make a YouTube channel, do exactly what I'm doing, and get sales. So anyway. After you make your My Lead Gen Secrets account, right? You go on to Clickbank. There's going to be another link in the description for Clickbank. Just to get in there, sign in for Clickbank, do all the things, your name, all that good stuff, and make sure to link your bank account and all that. And it's very easy to do, very simple. Won't take but a couple minutes, and you can create your account. Now, once you create your account, what you want to click on right up here is Marketplace. You want to click on Marketplace. That will take you to this page here. And once you get to this page here, you can click on e-business and e-marketing. That's the niche you want to work with, because people who sign in to My Lead Gen Secrets, they sign in for e-business and e-marketing, ways to make money online. You understand? Right? You can make money with other niches. Like somebody said they made money with health and fitness. You can make money like that, but they sign in for e-business, e-marketing. So you more likely will get a sale with this. So you can get sales with other things, but they're more likely to get a sale with this. I've never personally tried to make sales with other things before. Maybe that should be another form of videos I could make, trying to get a sale with a different niche. I'll try that. Now I think about it, that's a good idea. I'll try that. Using My Lead Gen Secrets. That's our best kept secret. It's our best kept secret. That's what's gonna work for us. All right. So click on e-business, e-marketing, right? Then we click on Gravity. Once we click on Gravity, we look for a product. This is a very good product. I gotten sales on this right here. Paid you Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Very good sales on this here. But what we already sent all the emails from this, so we're going to another product. Paid online writing jobs right here. So this is the product we're using right now. So you click right here, get the affiliate page going, and you can pick one of these offers. I'm just picking ones that I know work, but perpetual income, you can try that. It's got high gravity and it got very high average conversion rate, very high. So if it works, it's a pretty penny, I've never gotten a sale using it, so there's that. But anyway, we click over here to paid online writing jobs. What we want is email swipes. Once we click on email swipes, your first paid gig. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna use this subject. We might spice it up a little bit. Let's see here. I don't too tough. I'm not in love with the title. First paid gig. Let's pick like a $sign 200 plus, maybe something like that. Okay. Something like that. And then you put your first name, put the first name in there. Copy like that. Like that. Maybe you can do something like this to just kind of grab attention a little bit. I think something like that might grab attention a little bit better. So we're gonna pick that. All right, so we delete this here. Make sure to click perfect timing. Perfect timing. Make sure they get the email right when right when they're checking their emails accounts. So anyway, you copy the body here. Let's see what the body got to say. Okay, so we get this body like that. Copy. We're gonna put our name in here. So we do like that. Our name, Kiara. It's a pretty trustworthy name. Your name, you want to go with short names. If your name is super long, if you care about it, you can pick your own name if you want. But what is ranked as the most trustworthy names are very short names like Jim, Bob, Aaron, so on and so forth, stuff like that. Jane, something very simple. But I just use my name. You can just use your name. But if you just happen to have a really complicated name, you might, and you're not seeing sales, you might want to go with a more trustworthy name. But anyway, keep going here. It's not really a big deal, to be honest with you. I just thought I'd mention that there are names that are considered more trustworthy than others. The easier people can say your name, the more trustworthy they find it. All right, so what we're gonna do is click on paid online writing jobs and get the link here, right here. All right, so we copy that. Go over here, we go to my secrets, we find the page, we find the click. We're gonna click right here. We're gonna bold it, put our email in there like this, a link I meant to say. Okay, so this is all set up pretty well. I think I did it well. Let's look over it to make sure we got it going here. Oh, I forgot to pick the first name for a name here. See, that's why you want to check, because I thought I was good, but I didn't change name here. Paste. So blah 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 blah. I just kind of scanned through to see if there was any other marks I needed to change, but it looked pretty fine to me. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna preview here and make sure the link works. We gotta make sure the link works. The link works, we're good to go. It works. All right, so we just hit send email and we're good. And that's all you need to do there. And we're good here. But I wanted to talk about my affiliates here, commissions I'm getting. I just want to reiterate here that I managed to get some commissions on my link, some of my accounts with my lead gen secrets here, and now the affiliate link, you don't get paid much from the affiliate for signing in affiliates, but the thing is, my YouTube account, I Did You Affiliate, only been around for maybe 10 days, and I've been doing these videos. I've gotten sales off and look at my view account. It's very low, maybe 10, 20 views a video, and I still already gotten sales, so yeah. Also want to, so you could just you could just copy what I'm doing and start getting sales like that as well. So you just do the same thing I'm doing. You just copy exactly what I'm doing, but you use your own voice or however you want to do it. You can put your picture up there as well if you want to. I don't have a decent enough camera. My camera's kind of messed up. It's kind of very, very old and bad, so I don't use a camera. But if I did have a camera, what I'd do, I'd put a camera up there as well, show my face if I wanted to. That'll probably get you more clicks. But yeah, you could just copy that as well and do exactly what I'm doing. Also, I have something that works better than Clickbank. It's a $20 business starter, but every sale you get is recurring. So what happens is you'll make money off of that one person for month, forever, as long as they stay in the system. And the system is really well done. It's called Saving Highways Global. Saving Highway Global can help you save money on bills and all that type of stuff, because they show like they look at your bills and say, hey, you can knock this down and make it cheaper. And a ton of people, including me, have saved a lot of money on their bills. Personally, for me, it was my phone bill. I had a high phone bill. Cut it down quite a bit with Savings Highway Global, but that's not the point. The point is, you can start your account on Saving Highway Global. It's only $20 to start, and you mail what you do. You can mail my lead gen secrets here with that instead of on Clickbank offers, because it works better than Clickbank offers, because the sales you get on that, they stay. You keep going. You don't have to worry about getting sales over and over. You just got to get sales enough to pay for what you need that month. Once you get sales like that, you're good. So always remember, so I'm gonna have the link in the description to check that out as well, right? I'm gonna have that in the description to get your business going, to make sure you can all make that income that you need coming in. You need income, not sales. That's the goal, and that's what the goal of Saving Highway Global is. You need income, not sales. You understand? You building income with it. So, because every sale will continue building up on your income. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all of the things, you know what I mean? And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.